Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can craft in Icarus. Now to start crafting in Icarus, just press down tab on your keyboard and this will open up this HUD. You can hover over to your inventory, to crafting, tech tree, talents, map, and accolades. Now over here on the crafting section, you can start making all of these craftable materials. Now, for example, I'm going to make another stone knife because the stone knife that I have right now is currently broken. If I want to make another one, I'm going to require at least 2 pieces of fiber, 2 pieces of stick, and 4 pieces of stone. Now let me just get some stone right about here, either by picking them up, or I can just mine them from these rocks right here by using a pickaxe. Once you got all of the materials, just hover over the stone knife right here, and then press down craft. And now you have fully crafted another stone knife. And that's pretty much about it about how to craft in Icarus.